Welcome to my channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe, and if you are returning, please like and share. So in my house I have washing machine. So since the rooms are so small, so I have to have my washing machine at sitting room. But every time I have visitors, they just say, "Oh, your washing machine is cool. Why are you putting there?" So a lot of questions. So I opted to have something to cover up the machine and to make it to be so beautiful. So I had to come up with a design. Actually, when I was joining the woods, that is the tricky part about this project. Since I was alone and the woods were a bit slim, and I didn't have a lot of clamps to hold it down. It wasn't easy, but finally I managed to come up with something so strong though. So I had to connect and leave the front part is open, and also the side is open because there is that waste pipe for it. So why am I having the washing machine portable? Because I use it when I want to do laundry. I take it to balcony, which is actually near the balcony. So I just drag the machine there and then do my laundry. When I'm done, I just return there and then cover it so nicely. So that is the reason, because I cannot leave it on the balcony. It may not be safe, and I cannot also drag it all the way to inside maybe kitchen or the other room, the other bedroom, because it will be a lot of task bringing it back again to balcony. So, and I can, because actually my house doesn't have a lot of items, so I opted to have the washing machine just lying on one of the corners or a sitting room. But I needed to come up with something so beautiful. So walk with me through the journey, and then I will show you how I did mine. So here I was just connecting the items together with the help of some clamps. So pre-drilling the hole since the wood are so delicate, and then now connecting with the screw. Okay, then since I was still a beginner in woodwork per se, so having the right screw is what actually the matter most, because you may be having, like me, I have two drills, like the one for drilling the hole and the other for screwing, but the size or the length of the screw and the size and the diameter or the width will determine, because earlier on I had used some long screws, so once I just screw them, they'll go beyond the wood, then appear on the other side. So you find if I just leave it like that, so it will be scratching the washing machine each time, so leaving some funny. So I had to unscrew them all, then get a proper machine. So proper screw. So once I was done with the assembling and using the plywood, so I tried to paint it down. That's why you see the white part, and it's not coming out so smooth and wet. Like this is something which will be touching water all the time. So I had to cover it with marble paper. Marble paper is what I feel like no matter you pour water, just slide down. So, but the choice of color, since I had only 4 types: the gold, the silver, that color is not cream, it's not white, and the black. So when I feel like the black is sitting in, it's not work out well. So I opted for this color. Since I had to use the material which I have already at the house. I do want to buy another one, because it's also expensive to buy the roll for marble contact paper, since it's not even available. I'm actually in Mombasa, Kenya, so it's not available in Mombasa, so I have to order them from Nairobi, either to Gigi or Jumia. So getting them is quite expensive, so that's why I opted to just use already what I've already ordered long time ago for other products, and I had 4 types. So I had to stick all around. So it was not difficult to just stick the contact paper, just peeling off and make sure the surface is smooth. That's why I already done the sanding. Apologies, I didn't show you on how I did my sanding, but I had to make sure the surface is smooth. Then just cut the paper into size, then peel it off, and then cover it. So also on this side, there is also a video that I didn't show you about how I had to spray paint the handles to be gold, because on that contact paper you will see at a distance there are some space, there's some sparkling of gold from far, and also an idea I'll have to put some gold lines to make it more beautiful. So I had to spray paint the handles gold. I'll show you later as we proceed. Yeah, so in your house you can just be creative and just get something beautiful. So on this side I had this art piece at wall. So when this idea came out, I used it with the washing machine there, but it was small, so I need to enlarge it. Okay, for me I told them in Mombasa, so this 3D wallpaper I bought them in our center. Yeah, it's quite expensive per piece, of course on a budget, so I had to buy I think several of them, like 7 or 8. Then it fits there, so it is easier to just push the washing machine cover in that place, and it will cover. That's the washing machine I have. It's brown. I bought it a long time ago. It's been a good service. So actually I don't remember the last time I washed it with hand, so that's why I had to trash out my washing machine to make sure it's covered well. It has a good ventilation, so the front part is open and also the side is open. So the side towards the balcony is open so that fresh air circulates inside the washing machine. I don't want the washing machine that will be damp, like I will have a lot of motion, because I don't have time to dry the machine. Once I'm done with the drainage system, I just clean the washing machine and then I will put the system cover it. So I had to leave a space. So the gold ribbons I told you I have 4 contact paper. So I have the color which I've covered it up, the gold, silver and black. So I had to cut some small strips for gold to beautify my item and also to make it more appealing. So when you come, you'll just be when you come to my sitting room, you'll be seeing like this kind of wardrobe. So you will not have those questions like, oh, your washing machine is beautiful, how many kgs it is, can you swatch a duvet, how many bedsheets can you put inside? Those funny questions is what I do want. So once I was done with it, put my handle to be easier to remove it, and my beautiful flower. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.